Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video we can see how we can create Clickbank a nickname. So you can open your Clickbank dashboard, then you can navigate to the account section, click on this. Then after you can click on the create a nickname. There you can select your account type. So you are a seller or if you wanting to promote product, so you can select the affiliate, a promote product, or if you're a combine user, so you can select a combine or the custom or the test. So we can wanting to promote product, so I can select with affiliate promote product. Then after there you can type nickname. So nickname should be anything, like you can type your name, and if it is available then it could be marked green. If it is not, then it should be shows red icon. So there you can type something else, Prav Yadav. So you can see it is available. So then after you can click on the sign up and you see your nickname is created. Then after you can click on this nickname, and then you can see this nickname dashboard. So how much the activity you did through this nickname. So there is a dashboard and the total earning through this nickname. And after you can send a one confirmation email to your Gmail. So you must confirm your email address in order for it to be fully associated with your Clickbank account. So whenever you can create your Clickbank nickname, make sure to you can activate your nickname through your Gmail. So you can click on this, send a confirmation email to this Gmail. So you can click on this link. Then after Clickbank will send you the activation email. So you see 644 I received. You can click on this, then you can click on the first link and you see thank you, your email address has been successfully verified. So whenever you create your nickname, make sure to you can activate and verify your nickname through your Gmail. So overall this is the process to how you can create your nickname, and then you can start promoting your product. So if you are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, and if you have anything a concern or doubt, so you can share your thoughts even in the comment section. And if you're wanting to connect with me personally, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you can connect with me easily. And for the last, if you found anything informative and helpful for you, so you can hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you can do something from our side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.